started drinking a little bit, and I grew a taste for it, but definitely more vodka than whiskey.
I haven't had it in a long time, and someone gave me a very good bottle of it. Sake.
Sake? I like to drink it with my beer now.
Oh, no, I just like straight up like really.
Yeah, I don't like the taste of it.
This is the whole point.
Probably won't even call it either.
Alrighty then, folks, that time is dedication. We can clear the box.
I know, I'm just entitled to disagree with it.
Even if you're wrong.
I have a second job in go-karts downtown.
Really?
Yeah, and so yesterday I got out of work Wednesday night and I went out and started drinking. And then I started drinking on Thursday when I woke up, so I went to work drunk yesterday. And I bought a bottle of vodka with me.
To work?
And I was sipping it on my break. I've never done that job before. But yeah, so I woke up this morning, I'm like, I'm in pain right now.
Quite the week.
I know, right? I'm like, I'm supposed to be saving it all up for the weekend when I go out of town, but no, I didn't waste any time. So yeah, it was a long night, needless to say.
I would think so.
Yeah.
God bless you.
There's lots of different things, I think.
Well, if it gets cold, you're a little crazy.
But yeah, now I'm like, oh crap, what if they notice? You know what I mean?
Oh, you're at work?
Yeah.
Oh, you could lose your job.
Oh well, I just took a job, so I don't care. Like, dude, I wouldn't care too bad.
You never have enough money. You never know.
My pit boss is actually drinking.
Well, I think you're safe. I think.
But if somebody above us goes above us, then we're in trouble.
Unless they're drinking.
I'm sure that they would have like told me yesterday, like, hey, you're not doing it. You know what I mean? You're not gonna do an act like that.
Well, maybe you were able to pull it off. Maybe nobody knows.
It doesn't And so the
Airplane
two girls
mode.
that I worked with, we started carpooling. They're
You
like, oh
can
yeah,
connect to the internet on any of your devices with Wi-Fi to watch free TV compliments and network.
We'd bring like a
Track the
bottle
flights,
and
or you can just
have
browse around southwest.com. You can watch the movies for $5 or use the internet for
I've
free.
never done that in Golden Nugget until last night.
It does get windy this time of year, so it's more that you do raining. You can tell the captain flies about that wind, and he'll turn off the fan sometimes. We have a changing people if you need it. In the forward lavatory only, and there'll be a green sign on the ceiling. You'll come to the red next to it with lavatory use. So although you will see a different amount taking a good quarter, there's room in the count will turn that seatbelt sign off.